Hello. My name is Natasha. In this video, I want to present a new online application, VocabBuilder Online. This application was developed by a small ITN lab team in Australia. VocabBuilder Online is a vocabulary training tool with many features. VocabBuilder Online is designed for self-motivated learners who are dedicated to improving their language skills. We understand that language comprehension, a rich vocabulary, and conversational fluency are the results of consistent and focused effort, and our application is here to support you in that journey. The application will allow you to create your own collection of vocabulary lists to study and master. Learn and memorize new words, terms and expressions in any language. Track your progress score visually as it grows over time. Get vocabulary practice anytime and anywhere on different devices, including mobile phones. The application can be used to learn any language or special terms. Let's look at how the exercise system works, and then I'll show you how to use the tools to create your dictionaries. First, we must select a dictionary. Let's take a simple demo dictionary, numbers in English. These are numbers and their meanings. Press the Select button and select the Stage 0 word carousel exercise. We also chose a time delay and the random order of word presentation. Finally, press the Start button. This exercise can be watched on the big screen. We can also include the pronunciation of words as well. Now, let's relax and watch.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The multiple choice dialogue is the first stage in studying new words or expressions. You select one correct translation from the 5 presented options in this exercise. This dialogue contains the flip dictionary icon to help you select the appropriate training direction. The training direction defines the main language within the current training session. You may switch between 2 presentation orders that provide alphabetical or random word presentation. The training diagram provides visual feedback on your training progress. 1 word or expression and 5 possible interpretations are shown when you click the Start button. You must make an appropriate choice by clicking on one of the boxes below. You get a score if you make a correct choice from the first attempt, 1 click on the list box. If you make a correct choice 3 times successfully, the appropriate word is removed from the current exercise and will not be shown further. The training session is completed when the dictionary contains no words, 0 word list. To save your current training progress, click on the Save button. The training data includes your specific memory time factor. This means memorized and removed from the list words will appear in the following training sessions after a specific time. This mechanism of repeated training has a complex algorithm and includes several factors: date of storing, amount of word recurrences, amount of complete correct recognitions, etc. You do not need to know all these details. Open taught word lists occasionally, and you will see that you need additional training sessions. The flashcard dialogue is the second stage of studying. Open the dialogue and press the Start button. The interpretation of a word is displayed to you. You recall this word itself, mentally or aloud. Then press the Show button. The investigated word is displayed to you. Now, try to recall the translation in your memory and click on the card. You have to decide whether your answer is correct or not. In case of a correct answer, you click the I'm right button. In case of a mistake, the I'm not right. Here, you accept the critical, independent decision. Therefore, try to be objective. Consider your answer correct if it reproduces the word phonetically. Do not try to reproduce the spelling of the word at this stage. The flashcard dialog presents training data similar to the previous stage. As with the last session, you must reproduce every word 3 times before it disappears from the word list. However, remember the mechanism of repeated training, which is realized for all training modes in the program. The spelling exercise. At this final stage of the training, you should type the word or phrase in which the translation is shown to you. It is the most difficult and important stage in the training. When you write the word or phrase correctly, then you have learned it. Open the window and press the Start button. The interpretation of one word is displayed to you. Type the word into the input field. If you don't make a mistake, you get a score. Press the Next button to get the next record. If you do not remember the spelling of a word, you can use a hint button. Get a hint makes the word seen. You simply type the word into the input field. Remember, it is important to type words that you do not remember. This will assist you in generating internal mechanisms of mechanical memorizing. Completing the last stage of the training guarantees deep learning. However, you will probably have to return to the completed exercise afterwards. The word box mode is a training exercise that provides a word or phrase composition based on a set of letters displayed for you. When you click the Start button, the random combination of letter boxes and appropriate interpretation are shown to you. You must move letter boxes one after another to compose the right word or word combination. You get a score if you make a correct combination and don't use a hint. Now, let's quickly look at tools that allow you to create your dictionaries. These tools are available for registered members who have a personal account. We give you some helpful demo dictionaries to import into your account. To do this, click the Import from Library tab in the menu. Select the required dictionary from the list box on the left and click the Import button. You will see it in the My Dictionaries list on the right side of the window. The Edit Dictionary window allows you to create, modify, or delete records in your dictionary. Click the Edit Dictionary tab in the menu and select the required dictionary. You will see 2 input fields for the word and meaning in the window. Type the word and meaning to add the record, then click the Add Word button. To edit the record, select the item in the list box, edit the word or meaning and click the Edit Word button. To delete the record, select the required item in the list and click the Delete Selected button. To save your updated dictionary, remember to press the Save button. Create from List. Click the Create from List tab in the menu. Create a simple text with words and appropriate interpretations, as shown on the screen. Type the dictionary name. Write a dictionary overview if you like. Press Create button. Text Analyzer. This instrument allows you to find the most frequent phrases and frequencies of words in any text. Click the Text Analyzer tab in the menu. Copy any text into the text input field on the left. Click the Submit Text button, then click the Process button. In a second, the program will generate a list of words sorted by frequency. You may copy this list and use it in your exercises or dictionaries. Use Google Translator to translate this list into your language. Please find more detailed information on the application website. On the right side of the window, you can see the list of stop words. Stop words are commonly used words that will be excluded from the final result. We looked at the main functions of VocabBuilder Online. The developers from ITN Lab have put a lot of effort into making the valuable application at any stage of language learning. As you progress through the training stages, you learn some words or phrases more quickly than others. This is very common when studying a new language. VocabBuilder Online also lets you practice as much as you need to, frequently showing you words or phrases you might need to become more familiar with. The training engine of VocabBuilder Online was created with the knowledge of basic memory patterns, processes, and individual abilities to learn and memorize. Please register on the application website and create exercises based on your favorite books or films. Remember to like this video so other users can see it. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.